Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to explain you how you can make part payment towards your Axis Bank loan account. So many of us who are holding Axis Bank loan account may be searching for this option on how to make part payment towards their loan account. So let me tell you that if you are thinking that you can make part payment towards your loan account through online mode, then let me tell you that Axis Bank doesn't allow this service through their net banking as well as mobile banking app. So online part payment towards your loan account is not possible. To make part payment towards your loan account, you will need to compulsorily visit bank branch or loan center. So I'll explain you the complete process to make the part payment towards your loan account by visiting the branch. So you can make part payments by cash deposit or as well as by check. So you'll need to visit the bank, and like a traditional way you deposit cash or check, in the same manner you'll need to deposit the check or the cash towards your loan account. So you'll need to visit the bank, and you'll need to take a deposit slip which you will find at the branch counter. So once you take this slip, you'll need to fill up this. In the account number, you'll need to write your loan account number, right? Mention your pen name and enter all the details over here. If you are giving check, then tick mark on check. If you are giving cash, mention the pieces of check and denomination over here. And once you finish filling up this slip, you'll need to give the deposit, whatever the amount you are depositing, you will need to deposit via cash. Or if you are giving the check, then you will need to write the check, write a cross check, and in the name section you'll need to mention Axis Bank Limited, then leave a space and write your loan account number. And once you finish writing that, just sign it, just cross check and fill all the details, amount and all. And on the back side of the check, you'll need to write Axis Bank Limited and mention the loan account number, your loan account number, and again sign on it, sign on the back side. So once you finish doing this, you'll need to take the check and this deposit slip and deposit it. If you are given the check, then it will take 1 working days to deposit the amount in your loan account. And if you are depositing through cash, then it will be deposited instantly in few hours in your loan account. Once the amount is deposited in your account, you will get a SMS from bank like this: dear customer, the payment of so and so has been credited to your loan account. So once the amount deposited, it will start showing up in unadjusted balance in your loan account details. So you can check it out in your mobile banking or net banking. In unadjusted amount, it will show up the amount which you have deposited. So to adjust it as a part payment towards your loan account, you'll need to call the call center by dialing the number of customer care of Axis Bank. Once you call them, you'll need to tell them that you want to make a part payment towards your loan account and you have deposited that amount in your loan account. So they will take a request, whether they will give you two options, whether you want to reduce the tenure or EMI. You'll need to select any of them. Reducing the tenure will be best option. So according to your need, you can reduce tenure or EMI. If you reduce EMI, the tenure will be the same, but your monthly EMI will be deducted. And if you reduce the tenure, the monthly EMI will be same, but the tenure will be reduced. So after taking the request, you will receive one more SMS from the customer care Axis Bank saying that they have taken the dear customer, your request number so and so related to part payment tenure reduction has been registered on loan account so and so. It will be processed and they will give the deadline. So once you give the request, the amount will be adjusted with your loan account, means it will be treated as a part payments in 1 or 2 working days, and amount will be adjusted and it will start to show up in your loan account within 1 to 2 working days. So like this you can make a part payment towards your Axis Bank loan account. It is very simple. For now they don't have any online option to make the part payment, so you'll need to use this method. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Please do subscribe and please hit on like button. That's it for today. Goodbye, have a nice day.